Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name is Tracy and well, I had to go shopping today to get some food, and we went to a shop that was 2 doors away from Poundland. So I thought, let's just quickly run in. I do this all the time, quickly run in and see if they've got any of these new yarns, and then usually I quickly run out again, but today they had some. And so I got a little bit of some bits and pieces from Poundland, but I'll show you this first. You know the tubs that you can get which have the clip-ons, they do look a little bit scratched, these. I think they've got kind of glue on them, they've been bashed about in their warehouse, but they're selling them for £1. So I figured that's not bad, I'll get those and we can stash garden stuff in them, or you know, anything that it can go in these, can't it? So, and it gave me something to carry my yarn home in, so that was cool. They're nice and clean, so I haven't got to worry about that. So I got those, and I got some tubs to put my food in, but they had some new colours, and I was kind of, wow, I've got to get some new colours. I didn't get lots of each one. I just got a few to kind of add to my collection for when I make something that's multicoloured. So I'll start with this. Now, before I'd needed some bright orange to make something, and the only one I could find was like fluorescent, and so although I used it, I wasn't happy with the colour. But they have this one. Sorry, that was a big vehicle going by. Even though the windows are open, 2 fans are going, I am still melting because it's 100 degrees here today or more. I think it's 42. So, I don't even know what that is in old money. So here we are. This is the gorgeous orange. If I put it too close, the light plays tricks. But it's a really lovely bright orange colour. And I think it's imaginatively titled Orange. Orange. So it's a 3 weight and it's lovely and squishy. It's 100% acrylic. Machine washable. And I got 1, 2, 3, because you know, you probably heard me say this lots. Poundland are 3 for £2, and so that's 150 grams for just £2. So I got 3 for the orange, so that gave, if I wanted to need an orange for something again, then I've got it. Staying with the bright kind of woohoo vibe, I've got pink. So it's like a real fuchsia pink colour. You can just about see the almost ultraviolet bluey tinge to it. If I put it close, I'm not sure that you can see, but it's absolutely lovely. I'll put 2 down because I've got small hands, so I find it hard to fiddle about with stuff if I've got more than 1 in my hand. So what do we got? I had asthma attack. Sorry if I'm going to be doing that a little bit, but I tried to video this once already, and I had to stop and restart it. But I've got my water handy, I've had my inhaler, and it always makes me a bit. Sorry about that. So this is just called dark pink. Yeah, it's got it in another language, but I was trying to figure out what it was. But this is like another 3 weight and 100% acrylic. No yardage on them, sadly, but I got 3 of those as well. So I did actually make a really nice rainbow blanket with these bright colours once before, and that would have been perfect for it, but as I say, it had to be a bit on the fluorescent side. Now previous, they have mint, which is very pale, and they have turquoise. They had 2 different colours of turquoise, but they've got this one. Now look at this, isn't it a lovely green? It's beautiful green. So I was kind of impressed with this. I only got 2 because I wanted to get a few different ones. So this one is just called Pale Aqua, but I am in love with this green. I think I should have got more of it. Seeing it on camera, it looks even better. That's lovely, absolutely lovely. And it's very soft, this one. They're all soft, though. You can have them all on your skin. They're not any of them are just lovely and wearable, but this one feels a little bit more softer. Some colours do that though, don't they? It's very strange. Now, I didn't bother with the pink because the pink is washed out, and I wasn't a big fan of their baby pink or their baby blue. They have a couple of different ones occasionally but the one they had was very washed out and not a nice colour. And they've previously had a light peach and a much darker peach colour, but both of them are darker than this. Whoops, you can hardly see it, it's that bright, but it's a lovely subtle peach colour, really, really pretty. I don't know if you can see it if I bring it up. The light sort of plays tricks, but it's an absolutely lovely, lovely peach colour. And I got 2 of those. I'll probably get more at some point. And then I noticed in their baby range, which has a different label altogether, they had a kind of a cream colour, and it's a nice buttery kind of cream. So I got 3 of these, and what I like about this is the fact that they have a normal yarn band, and I figured, well, I'll be able to read that normal yarn band so much better than that kind of buff coloured one that they have with the writing on it. It's just hard to see it, but it doesn't say anything more than the other one, unfortunately. But this is part of the baby range. It's lovely and soft. It's let's see, it's just called Cream, and the shade number is 232. Machine washable up to 40 degrees. I'm not sure if these ones say 30, you know. Yeah, so isn't that odd that baby yarn says 40 and yet the normal yarn says 30? It's kind of a bit weird. Don't understand that. You think that babies would be a little bit more delicate, but again, it is just 50 gram ball and 100% acrylic, but lovely, lovely and soft. Machine washable, so that's good. So you have seen me get this one recently. I got another couple because I just wanted to make that cardigan and put it with the Malaga that I had, which is beautiful yarn, and I figured this would go quite nice with it. So I just got a couple more of these just to make sure I got enough. And this is lovely. I love this one. It's just called Red, and I'd agree that is red, but I would have called it something else, really. So I got 2 of that colour and 2 of the dark, well no, I got 3 of the much darker red. So I love this colour. When I put it together with the Malaga, I bet I end up preferring this one. So let me put those over there. This one's called Burgundy, and no colour number on this one. And this is lovely and soft, much softer again, but I think some colours just end up feeling much softer than others. But yeah, beautiful. 100% acrylic, and it says it twice, I don't know why. And what does it say? 30 degrees, back to 30 degrees. It's just the delicate baby that you can wash higher. That doesn't make any sense, but that's the yarn I got. They didn't have any other colours that I hadn't seen before. They've had this once or twice in the past, even though it is one of their newer colours, but it's good to see that they are getting some more yarn in now, so hopefully that's good. We might start seeing some more yarny bits and pieces in the shop, so that's brilliant. Wow. So I love these colours. I mean, I do love this one. It's just so bright and cheerful, and this orange as well, I would have definitely had a use for that in the past. I've used quite a few things that needed a bright orange, but the only one I could find was more or less a fluorescent colour. So these, definitely would have used these, and I will have another use for them, no doubt. So I hope you like that, but I'm absolutely in love with this one. I wish I'd kind of felt like that in the store. I would have got more of it, but they will have more. I've seen this one in there before. So isn't that lovely? Right, well, thank you for watching, and I'm going to go and melt away in the corner of the room and feel very sorry for myself. I'm going to be spending much of my day in and out of cold baths. That's all I can do when it's really hot like this. It's the only way I can survive it. But when I went outside, the breeze was hot. It was like someone had a hairdryer and was blowing it at us. It was, and wearing a mask in that kind of heat was atrocious. Just walking around the shop with a mask on, and the mask was wet in the end because everything, you know, and I I had my hair up in a ponytail. I wish I'd had my hair in this and I could have looped my mask around the pigtails, which is so much better. But I can see that I've got sunken eyes. I'm so dehydrated. I've been drinking lots of water, but it's not really helping. Anyway, so thank you for watching. I'm just going to go and melt in the corner. I will do a live stream a little bit later, so if you're around and you fancy it, then hopefully the notifications will go out, but if not, I will be on at some point. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, everyone. Take care, and I shall see you soon. Bye for now.